wearing sunglasses?
Nothing. She didn't recognise him.
Oh, of course she would have because he's wearing sunglasses.
Exactly.
Of course,
He looks different.
Somebody else
Doesn't
who's red. It's Finley the fire engine. That's a really good chance. I like
Thanks,
Finley.
mate.
Oh, it's brilliant. Yeah, I haven't got any jokes.
Finley the fire engine, that's the sound of his sirens. Finley the fire engine, here comes Finley, it's time to play. Ring, 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 somebody's calling. Clang, 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 there goes the bell. Zoom, 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 rev up your engines, here comes Finley and all his friends. Finley the fire engine, hear the sound of his sirens. Finley the fire engine, here comes Finley, it's time to play. Ring, 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 let's play with Finley. Clang, 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 hear the bell ring. Zoom, 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 rev up your engines, here comes Finley and all his friends. Finley the fire engine, that's the sound of his sirens. Finley the fire engine, here comes Finley, it's time to play.
Slow down now, Finley. We've got to practice traffic safety inside as well as outside.
Sorry, Captain Parker, but I've got to find my football. Sandy the street sweeper challenged me and my friends to a game. It must be here somewhere.
Well, actually, I'm glad you're here, young Finley, because we have a visitor.
We do? Who?
Little Henry.
Hi, Finley. Hello, little one.
Henry's visiting us while his granddad's in town buying supplies for their firehouse over in Farville.
That's great. I wish I could stay here with you, Henry, but I've got a football match. Bye-bye.
Sorry, Finley, but I'm afraid I need you to watch Henry for a few hours while I help his grandfather.
But... Fine. I'll just give it what I want to do so I can watch a little kid.
Sorry, Finley.
No, I'm the one who should say I'm sorry, Henry. I'm happy for you to be here. So, do you want to play a game?
Yeah, play a game!
Thank you for being so responsible and understanding, Finley.
You it!
You want to play tag, Henry? Okay, I'm it. Now you're it.
Hold on, you two. All this rolling around inside isn't safe. Why don't you take this game to the park?
Boy, yes!
Henry! Children must never, ever go out into the street without a grown-up or responsible older truck, Henry.
So, how are we going to get to the park?
Today, you'll be the responsible older truck, Finley. And you're going to need to watch Henry very carefully.
Don't worry, I will. Come on, Henry. Now remember, stay close to me.
Have fun, you two. And be careful.
Of course. See you later, Captain Parker.
Bye-bye, Captain.
How's that, Hubert? Did I pack in enough sand?
Yes, you did, DJ. This traffic light is ready to go. Let's see how the light works.
Wow! It's working great!
What? Hey! Henry, stop!
Fun game! Let's play Stop Trucks again!
It wasn't a game, Henry. What you did was very dangerous.
It wasn't just dangerous. It was totally against local traffic law 387, which clearly states you must come to a full stop when the light is red. I'm going to have to give you a traffic ticket.
What?
Come on, Hubert. You can't give him a ticket. He's just a little kid.
Okay, I'll let him off with a warning, but you better help him understand the rules of traffic safety, Finley.
You're right, Hubert. Henry does need some traffic safety lessons.
Hi, everybody!
Hi, Henry.
Hello.
I saw what happened, Finley.
Oh?
I was so scared. I thought I was going to hit him.
Me too. I'm so glad that little Henry didn't get hurt.
Yes, but someone has to teach Henry how to be safe when he's crossing the road.
Do it! He really is a playful little lad.
That's it. I know how we can teach Henry traffic safety. We'll turn it into a game.
Great idea.
Okay, Henry, here's how we play. First, we all line up beside each other. When I say green light, you go. And when I say red light, you stop. Just like a real traffic light. Okay? Green light.
Well done, Henry.
Speaking of light, the sunlight is very bright today.
Yes, I wish I had my sun visor.
Red light. Stop, Henry. Red light means stop.
Red light!
He's starting to get it.
I hate to be a party pooper, but if Henry's going to be safe, he needs to learn about amber lights too.
That's right. An amber light means get ready to stop, Henry. And you should always look both ways before crossing the road.
Hold on, everyone. It's really good we're trying to teach Henry all these lessons about traffic safety, but I think he's too young to understand them all at once. It's okay, Henry. The most important lesson Henry needs to learn is to never cross the road by himself. Only with a grown-up or a responsible older truck. So maybe we can find a good way to teach him that.
That's a great idea, Finley.
Yes. Can you please keep it down, Isabel? I'm trying to think.
So am I. I'm thinking of a song that we can use to teach Henry to never cross the road alone.
That's a great idea.
Do you want to hear a song, Henry? A song, yeah! If you want to cross the road, one thing you must do. Find a grown-up to cross with you. An older truck knows when to wait and look both ways to keep you safe. With a grown-up, always with a grown-up. With a grown-up, always with a grown-up. It's a simple rule, but it must be known. It's not safe to cross when you're all alone. Get an older truck to help you out. Cross with a friend, that's what it's about. With a grown-up, always with a grown-up. With a grown-up, always with a grown-up. With a grown-up, always with a grown-up. With a grown-up, always with a grown-up.
Did you like that song, Henry? Did you understand what we were saying?
Never cross the road without a grown-up.
Yes.
Play another game now.
Sorry, Henry. I have to get going. Lots of post to deliver.
And I have to help Hubert set up a few more traffic lights today.
I've got customers waiting at the other side of the park, but I'll be back very soon. See you later. Play a game?
Of course, Henry. And then when Isabel comes back, we can...
Well, look who's here. Did you forget about a football match at the truck yard, Finley? Or maybe you were just so scared we were going to beat you that you didn't have the nerve to show up.
Really, Stanley Street Sweeper. That'll be the day. I had to take care of something for Captain Parker. But I've got the time now if you want to play a game.
So where's your football?
Oh, I've got another game in mind. Us against you, 2-on-2. Red light, green light.
You and him? Ha! He looks like he still needs training wheels. You must like losing, Finley.
Yeah, well, we'll see.
OK, Finley, if you insist, let's play some red light, green light.
I'm going to call them out. One mistake and you're out. Green light. Red light. Green light. You're on a roll, Henry. Red light.
He's on a roll, all right. Rolling right out of here. I said you were going to lose, Finley.
He's heading straight into traffic. He's going to get hurt.
Oh my, it's so sunny I can barely... Stop! Red light! Red light!
Henry, what did you think you were doing?
Saving me.
Huh? Isabel?
I was coming back from a rounds, but the sun got in my eyes, and I couldn't see that light was red. If Henry hadn't warned me, I could have been in a serious accident.
Yes, I saw the whole thing.
Oh, well done, Henry.
Henry certainly seems to have learnt a lot about traffic safety in a very short time.
Finley taught me.
Oh.
It was easy. All it took was a game and a song.
Let's sing it for Captain Parker. Go on, Henry. If you want to cross the road, one thing you must do. Find a grown-up to cross with you. An older truck knows when to wait. And look both ways to keep you safe. With a grown-up, always with a grown-up.
Hey, hey, Finley, the fire engine's rolling into town. Hey, hey, Finley, you're the fire engine of the year. Let's go, Finley, we light up whenever you're around.